I changed my name and no one knew for years. My name felt like a curse. Gertrude, heavy, old, a name that belonged in history books, not on a 21st century girl. Every time someone called it, I felt like I was being forced into a life that wasn't mine. I begged my mom to let me change it, but she'd just laugh. It's your great-grandmother's name, a strong woman. You'll grow into it. I never did. At 18, I legally changed it. Lily. Light, fresh, mine. I didn't tell my family. I was too scared. For 5 years, I lived a double life. At work, with friends, online, I was Lily. At home, I was still trapped as Gertrude. Then one day, the secret shattered. I was out with my mom when an old friend spotted me. She smiled and said, Lily, it's been forever. My mom's face darkened. Who's Lily? I froze, tried to play it off. But later that night, she stormed into my room holding my legal documents. She had found everything. You erased your name, like you erased us? Her voice cracked. Tears burned my eyes. I didn't erase you, Mom. I just found myself. Silence. Then she did something I never expected. She laughed. A cold, hollow laugh. If you don't want to be Gertrude, then maybe I don't want to be your mother. And just like that, she walked out. For the first time, I was truly Lily. But at what cost?